Hey everyone, Alec here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you Veed, which is a quick online video editor. So let's say you have a quick video that you want to make some adjustments to, such as trimming it, cropping it for social media, potentially adding some text and images, or even adding subtitles. Where with the quick online video editor with Veed, you can do all of this straight within your browser. And with that being said, let me show you. So like I mentioned, the tool is called Veed, and you can either go to Google and Google Veed, which is V-E-E-D, and click on the first link, or I'm going to be putting the links in the description below so you can click and go through there. So once you're in Veed, if you don't already have an account, you'll be prompted to create a new one for free. And if you do already have an account, we're just going to click on the new project button in the top left. Now I filmed a video on my iPhone, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the upload video button, select that clip and then import it. And now I have my clip in Veed's video editor, and as we can see, it's also in the timeline. So if I click play, hey Instagram Reels, Alec here, and I'm just making this video. As we can see, I have my video. So the first thing you can do if you want to is click on the clip and trim it by either clicking and dragging the end handle or the beginning handle. And if you drag the beginning handle and you trim it, make sure you drag your clip back to the beginning. However, I'm not going to do that. So if I click on the undo button right here, perfect. Now I want to post this video as an Instagram post and not a story. So I need to make it square, portrait or landscape. So I need to change the aspect ratio from the 9:16 story aspect ratio to the 4:5 portrait post aspect ratio. To do this, I can use the canvas size drop down menu. And here I have a bunch of different aspect ratios for all kinds of social media platforms. So if I scroll down to the 4:5 portrait aspect ratio, I can select it. And as we can see, my video is now an portrait Instagram post. If I don't like the fact that it's cropping off the top of my head, I can click and drag this down and then use the pink dots to drag it up. And as we can see, it's resized it and moved it around on the video canvas. Now, if I want to add some audio, let's say some background music, I can go ahead and click on the audio tab and then click on upload audio. However, I don't want to add any audio to this video. If I want to add some text, I can click on the text tab. I can then click add new text and let's just say, hi Instagram. What I can do is then change the layout. I can change the font size. I'm going to change the actual font. I can also change the font color. If I click on the advanced tab, I can also add some drop shadow. And I'm just going to resize this, make this a bit bigger. If I place this, for example, at the bottom of my video, I can also change the color, maybe make it blue so people can see it more. It's entirely up to you. You can change it to any color you want, of course. And now let's say I want to add a quick image that I'm talking about in the video. I can click on the image tab. I can add an image or I can select the images that I've already added. So if I choose the Instagram logo, I can place this in the top right. If I hold down shift so it keeps the dimensions right, there we go. I can also change the amount of time it's displayed on the screen. If I don't want it to be displayed all the way through, I could select the time where I want it to start appearing, click on the start stopwatch, and now for the first half of the video it won't be there. Instagram Reels, Alec here, and I'm just making this video to say thank you for all the support that you guys have been giving me on my YouTube channel. I accidentally did that for the text, but you get the idea. I can also click and drag it on the timeline. Now let's go back to the image. Here we go. This time, if I want the image to appear here, I click on the stopwatch. And let's say I want it to disappear here, I click on the end stopwatch. And now if I play it, I would say thank you for all the support that you guys have been giving me on my YouTube channel recently. As you can see, the Instagram logo appeared and disappeared. Now, let's say I want to add an effect or change the contrast or brightness. I can go into the filters, and here I've got filters, effects, and the adjust tab, where I can change the brightness, contrast, saturation, and exposure. And if I click on effects, here I have a bunch of different effects. Let's say I want to use the dusty film to make it look a little bit vintage. If I click and play from the beginning, as you can see, it gives it a vintage aesthetic. There's also a few other things you can do, such as speed up and slow down your clip, and then you can also draw on your video. For example, if I add new layer, I want to change the color, click on the video, and then I can just draw pretty much what I want. There we go, you get the idea. And again, you can display this at any time you want throughout the video. Let's say I want to only make it appear for a short period of time. As you can see, it appears on the screen very quickly. And there we go. I'm going to delete this. And you can also add some subtitles. For an example, if I use the auto subtitle tool, I can automatically transcribe all of the audio from my video into text and turn this text into subtitles. And then I can style the subtitles. But once I'm happy with my video, I just click on the download button in the top right, and then Veed starts to render my video. And that is how to use Veed's quick video editor to quickly edit online video content. That being said, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you found this video helpful or you got some value from it, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.